We acquired Camp Irie Adventures, which is a 600-acre property, in July 2021. This was originally the Revere bauxite plant in the 70s. It was closed, the entire facility was scrapped. So when this opportunity came up, 600 acres at a price that sounded very reasonable. For us, it was a no-brainer. But then the next thing is, how do you maintain the land? So you maintain it through agriculture. Now, as a family, the children, we decided to go into adventure, ecotourism. You know, we have the land, we have the trails, we have the buildings, the structures. We have all sorts of features. We have rivers, we have crops. So we said, let's venture into ecotourism.
Right now we have wall climbing, ATV trail, fun board games and activities for everyone to enjoy. Laser tag, which is Jamaica's only outdoor laser tag battleground, where we allow people to come and team up against one another. You know, friends, families, corporate people can come and do a retreat, test the tactical abilities. Coming in the near future, river tubing and fishing and river picnic. We have a spot which we call the Irie Island. Persons can come and chill on this island where the river completely surrounds the land. Can come, all the vibes with their family, friends, cook some food and chill.
2 teams, red and blue, 3 rounds, 5 minutes each. During the game, you will be shooting at 2 targets and 2 targets only. The headpiece or the gun. Laser tag is a non-contact sport, so if you see this headpiece flashing a white light, you know that person is already dead. If during the game you hear the sound, "I'm wounded," that means someone shot you.
Reservations to come to Camp Irie can be done at campirie.com, where you can go on and book and choose on our calendar a date you'd like to visit, and the packages that we offer. You can see all the packages there with activities included in each package. Camp Irie is, I would say, strategically located in St. Elizabeth. We're not far from Appleton, the world-renowned Appleton Estate Rum Tour. We're close to YS Falls. We're very close to Accompong, 5 minutes from Accompong town.
Jamaica Zoo, about 15 minutes away. Camp Irie rounds out the activities in this section of South Coast. So you can make a day trip, a weekend trip, a week trip out of visiting Appleton, Camp Irie, Breadnut, YS, Accompong, Pelican Bar. We have now allowed this part of the island to be a one-stop shop in terms of adventure, relaxation, tourism.